Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel Ishika Jain. Welcome to yet another episode. ये जो वीडियो है ये एक्चुअली जानी थी लाइव कल बट ये अब जा रही है एंड एज यू हैव रेड बाय द टाइटल एंड द थंबनेल दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी शेयरिंग विथ यू 21 थिंग्स आई लर्नड before I turn 21. I mean after I turn 21 because आज मेरा birthday है so before after छोड़ देते हैं but yes written down in this diary everything जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ और जो मेरे पास है. So let's begin. First one is take care of yourself. I cannot speak more on this. I feel like for the recent years my health was not at its best and I have seen my parents run for me. So it's like you have to take care of your health because your body does so much for you and ऐसा लगता है कि यार if you don't treat your body with the same respect and the same kindness आप क्या ही कर रहे हो. अगर आपके पास आपकी हेल्थ ही नहीं है आप क्या ही कर रहे हो, क्या ही कर सकते हो आप. There was this one monk who said this that if you have your health in order you might have 99 or 100 problems. But if you don't have your health in order, you only have one problem, which is fixing your health. So go and do it. Like even if I'm not saying just take drastic steps, I'm saying just basic, move your body every single day, drink clean water, have good food, and meet new people. Like have that environment around you, and take care of your body. Very important. The next one is be free and become fearless. For me, it has been so important. I think for me, freedom is very important, especially for every person out there. I think every person should have their own freedom to make their own choices, to make their own decisions and become fearless. जब हम कोई चीज़ ऐसी करते हैं जो बहुत अनफेमिलियर होती है या फिर हम किसी चीज़ से डर रहे होते हैं, it is just that your fear stops you from trying that thing. I know fear is very natural. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है. I was in this one competition जहाँ पे मैं अपना नाम वापस लेने वाली थी because I was scared कि मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए, शायद मैं अच्छे से नहीं कर पाऊंगी. But then I was like, you know what Ishika, let's just do it, let's just try. जीते तो जीते, हारे तो हारे गए, लेकिन एक बार ट्राई करके आ जाते हैं. And it was one of the best experiences for me because I learned a lot. I made mistakes, yes. Even for me it was just a great learning in the process that कि ठीक है, even if you're scared of something, do it scared. So that is what I mean by become fearless, that just try out new things, and even if you're like literally you have that fear in you, it's okay, it's normal, but do it scared as well. The next one is be close to God. I think that is again really one of the best decisions that I've ever made in life is be close to God. भगवान के पास जाने से सब ठीक हो जाता है. मेरे साथ तो बहुत बार पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस में भी हुआ है. सो आई ट्रूली फील क्लोज टू गॉड एंड इट जस्ट बिल्ड्स अ स्पिरिचुअल एनर्जी अराउंड यू. मतलब आपके आसपास ना एकदम अलग आपको एनर्जी फील होती है, आपको भगवान से और ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड फील होता है, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हट जाती है, आप जो चाहते हो वो आपको धीरे धीरे मिलने लग जाता है. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट स्वार्थ के लिए बट आई फील लाइक भगवान के पास जाने से सब ठीक हो जाता है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव. It's for me, I have seen this and I've learned this that it's okay कि आपके पास बहुत सारे desires हैं, आपके ambitions हैं, it's fair, होने भी चाहिए. But if you're not grateful for what you have right now, अगर आप उस चीज़ के लिए भी thank you नहीं बोल रहे तो आप बस दुनिया को ये और भगवान को और यूनिवर्स को ये जता रहे हो कि आपके पास जो है आप उसकी कदर ही नहीं करते. एंड जिसकी हमें कदर नहीं होती वो चीज़ छिन जाती है. Everyone knows that. So I think for me and for everyone out there, you should be grateful for what you have. Yes, be ambitious, go for your goals and become a go-getter, but still be grounded and know that everything is happening in your favor. आपके पास जो है अभी, that is great. You want more things, yes, but what you have right now is great. The next one is respect yourself. Do what you like and stand up for yourself. I feel like I have seen so many people, especially women, who don't respect themselves. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत गलत चीज़ है. खुद के लिए रिस्पेक्ट होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. What I'm trying to say is, you showing your self respect matters in actions, in the sense that जब आप वर्कआउट करते हो, you show that your body matters to you. When you eat clean food, you show that what you consume is important for you. When you have genuinely good people around you, when you call out people for disrespect, कि अगर किसी ने आपसे बदतमीजी से बात की है या कोई बदतमीजी करी है या उनका टोन खराब है या उनके वो जो कर रहे हैं वो चीज़ खराब है, सो जस्ट कॉल देम आउट कि भाई तुम मेरे साथ तो ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपको मुझसे बात करनी है तो इज्जत से बात करो वरना बात ही मत करो. I think that for me is really important because it just builds self trust कि हाँ मैं अपने ऊपर भरोसा कर सकती हूँ चीज़ों के लिए. So definitely respect yourself, stand up for yourself, because अगर आप अपनी इज्जत नहीं करोगे ना, कोई नहीं करने वाला. किसी को बाहर कुछ पड़ी नहीं है. No one cares. So definitely going to say this. Respect yourself, do what you like, and just have a voice for yourself. The next one is have your boundaries. This one is always equated with being disrespectful, and I don't know why, because you can be kind and still have boundaries. Like boundaries वो एक it's like a mark कि इससे ज़्यादा लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते तुम्हारे साथ. मतलब कि if they are disrespecting you, if they are treating you bad, if they are talking you bad, you call them out, you tell them that this is the boundary set, you cannot cross it. Whatever the boundary is, it doesn't matter. Stand up for your boundary. It's like तुमने अगर वो बनाई है, so वो सिर्फ बनाने के लिए नहीं बनाई है. Act upon it. If someone crosses it, tell them कि भाई ये गलत है और मैं अलाउ नहीं करूँगी अपनी ज़िंदगी में. I won't allow someone who's emotionally immature. I won't allow someone who yells. I won't allow someone who disrespects people, because that's my boundary. It is very clear, and you don't have to be disrespectful about it, in the sense that be kind when you communicate about your boundaries, be kind and calm. But अगर कोई तोड़ रहा है या कोई push कर रहा है आपको, be aware that this is not what I allow and I'm not going to allow it. So have your boundaries and stand for those boundaries. The next one is learn new things. Again, very important for me, because I feel like learning new things also comes with the fact that you are unfamiliar with those things, or there are certain things that you really want to try out. It can be anything. It can be trying new painting classes, or going to dance, or learning martial arts, or cycling, or badminton, or any of those things. If you really want to learn new things, I know there is a slight fear, there is a slight nervousness and anxiety कि what if this happens, what if that happens, अगर कुछ ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया. But it just, the fear is there because आपने वो चीज़ आज तक की नहीं है. But if you do it, it just opens a new environment for yourself. It just exposes you to new creativity. For me, that is very important, because I love learning new things. I love meeting new people. And yes, it is scary a little bit, but I do it anyways. So definitely gonna say this, that learn new things and enjoy doing them. The next one is earn money. Again, I feel like every person, especially women, you have to earn your own money. Financial stability in this world is important. अगर आपके पास पैसा है, आपके पास चॉइसेस आती हैं, आपके पास चॉइसेस है, आप अपने डिसीजंस खुद ले सकते हो, आपके पास खुद लेने की पावर, डिसीजंस लेने की पावर है, then you are free. So see, for me, money is not the end goal. For me, freedom is the end goal, and money is the catalyst to that freedom. अगर आपके पास पैसा है तो आपके पास वो freedom अचीव करने की ताकत है. So I'm gonna say this to everyone, every person out there: earn your own money, irrespective of the amount in the beginning. It is okay, but earn your own money, because जो आपका पैसा है ना, वो आपका पैसा होगा, किसी और का नहीं. You will have that control over that money कि मैं कहाँ खर्च कर रही हूँ, मैं कहाँ खर्च नहीं कर रही हूँ. So definitely gonna say this, that earn your own money. The next one is do the work. I was just hearing this quote on a podcast which says that thinking about doing the work is not doing the work. Saying about doing the work is not doing the work. Planning about doing the work is not doing the work. Just doing the work is doing the work. You know, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है हमारे साथ कि we have set something for ourselves, a to-do list maybe, कि आज हम ये चीज़ करेंगे, but we tend to procrastinate, we tend to think, oh my god, I'm going to do this task this way, और ये मैं प्लान करके कल करती हूँ या आज करती हूँ या फिर शाम को करती हूँ. बहुत ऐसी बार होता है, हम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हैं, हम डिले कर देते हैं और चीज़ों को, बट एट दैट मोमेंट वी जस्ट थिंक दैट you know we are in that loop of thinking about doing the thing which is not gonna work, because doing the work is doing the work. It is that easy. So when whatever you have set for yourself कि आज ये करना है, उसे कर दो. उसके बारे में सोचो मत, उसके बारे में बोलो मत, उसके बारे में प्लानिंग मत करो, किसी से बात मत करो. just do the work, you know, sit down and do the work. Very important again. The next one is learn to say no. Your time and your energy is valuable. It is your currency, and it is said that way for a reason. You cannot let people have access to it. अगर आपको पता है कि आपके लिए feasible नहीं है आज कहीं जाना या किसी से मिलना, say them no. अगर आपको पता है कि आपको ये काम नहीं करना, फिर चाहे it doesn't matter what the facilities are, what the money is all about. If you really don't want to do the work, you say no. Simple. नो बोलना बहुत आसान है, बट वो बोलने के लिए ना बहुत करेज चाहिए. सो आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू लिबरेशन, इट गिव्स यू पावर टू मैनेज योर टाइम एंड योर एनर्जी वेल. दैट जहाँ पे तुमको एनर्जी और टाइम देने हैं तुम वहीं पे दे रहे हो, और बाकी चीज़ें जो तुम्हें ड्रेन कर रही है तुम उसमें अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे. सो डेफिनेटली गोना से दिस दैट डोंट बिकम अ पीपल प्लीजर एंड डोंट से थिंग्स जस्ट बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू you don't want the other person to make them feel bad, but I feel like just do the task of saying no. Like, say no, it's okay. It shows that you respect yourself enough. Again, the next one is you are still a human even if you make a mistake. Again, I'll tell you this short story. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है and that just changed me actually. So the thing was कि एक ना मैंने कुछ पेपर्स बनाए थे, कुछ आर्टिकल ऐसा कुछ था, रिसर्च का, एंड जो मेन कंटेंट पेज था उसके नीचे मैंने साइटेशन किए हुए थे. इफ़ यू ऑल नो, साइटेशन ज़रूरी होती है कि तुमने रिसोर्सेज कहाँ से लिए हैं, क्या तुम्हारा बैकिंग क्या है सोर्स का. सो कंटेंट, जो कंटेंट वाला पेज था मैंने उसके नीचे साइटेशन किए हुए थे, बट जो मेन इंडेक्स वाला पेज था मैंने उसमें साइटेशन नहीं लिखे. एंड मुझे वो आज तक याद है. ये बात हुई थी पिछले नवंबर में, ठीक है. द थिंग इज कि एंड मैंने वो कुछ तो सबमिट कर दिया बिना वो साइटेशन चेक किए, एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट, बिकॉज उसके भी मार्क्स थे. सो आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मैंने गलती कर दी. एंड आई फेल्ट बैड बिकॉज इट वॉज अ टीम वर्क एंड दैट वर्क वॉज गिवन टू मी. बट वो साइटेशन हमने बाद में देखा, एंड आई फेल्ट सो बैड कि मेरे से गलती हो गई. एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक शिट, आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर दिस. मुझे तो करना ही नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा होना ही नहीं चाहिए, मैं इसके लिए बनी ही नहीं हूँ. बट देन I think few days back I was just thinking about that, and I just told ChatGPT ऐसे ही कि यार how do you move on from a mistake? And ChatGPT gave me this beautiful line. Okay, sometimes ChatGPT does work, okay, but thing is that it gave me a beautiful line which said that you have to know the difference between you doing the mistake and you thinking that you are a mistake. And that just opened me. I was like, yeah, मतलब गलती होना बहुत ज़रूरी बात है. इट्स ओके, गलती हो गई आपसे, यू अपोलोजाइज एंड यू ओन इट अप, लाइक यू होल्ड योर सेल्फ अकाउंटेबल कि हाँ मैंने गलती की है एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी कि मेरे से हो गया. बट यू हैव टू नो दैट वो एक गलती थी एंड यू कैन नॉट लेट दैट मिस्टेक डिफाइन यू नो. बिकॉज मेरे साथ तो ऐसा बहुत होता है कि जब भी कोई गलती हो जाती, आई जस्ट लेट दैट मिस्टेक स्टॉप मी फ्रॉम ट्राइंग दैट थिंग अगैन. एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाई एम आई डूइंग इट टू माई सेल्फ, जबकि मुझे वो चीज़ कब से करनी है, ठीक है. बस एक गलती की वजह से मैं रुक जाती हूँ, मैं पीछे आ जाती हूँ कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए. बट देन दिस टाइम आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट इशिका, यू कांट. सो इवन इफ यू मेक अ मिस्टेक, इट इज़ ओके, इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन. इट जस्ट शोज दैट यू आर अ ह्यूमन एंड यू थिंक इन योर हेड दैट आई एम नॉट गोना रिपीट दैट मिस्टेक एवर अगैन. जस्ट फील दैट जब तुम खुद से गलती करते हो और तुम उस चीज़ से सीखते हो, वो चीज़ तुम कभी ज़िंदगी में नहीं भूलते. So today also, even when I sent a text for that matter, I look in my text कि shit मैंने कुछ मिस तो नहीं कर दिया, मैंने क्या बोल रही हूँ, मैं क्या लिख रही हूँ. It has just made me more alert. So yes, it is very important again. The next one is leave your past behind. Again, this is linked with the previous one, because ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि जब तुम कोई चीज़ करते हो अचानक से you have a visual of योर पास्ट कि तुमने या तो कुछ गलती की है तो वो गलती तुम्हारे सामने आ जाती है, या किसी ने तुम्हें कुछ कहा है वो सामने आ जाता है, या तुमने किसी को कुछ कह दिया वो सामने आ जाता है. एंड समटाइम्स यू जस्ट लेट दैट थॉट डिक्टेट वॉट यूर डूइंग करेंटली, which has happened with me a lot of times. So it just taught me that, Ishika, what your past is, it's your past and it's not your present. It's like तुम उस चीज़ को वापस अपने अंदर नहीं लेके आ सकते. I know it is a mistake and whatever happened, but you cannot let that again define you, and you cannot let that particular past, that thing, dictate your life in the present situation. The next one is your thoughts are everything. I have been reading this book called The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. An incredible book. I love the book. It is so insightful and it talks about your thoughts are your reality. Your thoughts are the reason you attract everything into your life. So it is such a powerful book. It does not tell you some practical tips or tricks, but it tells you how your mind actually works, how the universe works, and तुम जो सोचते हो वही तुम्हारे साथ क्यों होता है. So incredible book, and I really think that your thoughts are everything. So you should read that book actually. The next one is celebrate your birthday and celebrate yourself. Again, this is my birthday video, so obviously I'm going to say that. Celebrate your birthday. I think celebrate yourself in general is very important. When you achieve a thing, when you have gone through a tough period, it's important to celebrate yourself. And I'm not saying do some grand gestures or something, but really simple acts. Maybe you can make your own meal for yourself, you can take yourself out on a solo date, you can gift yourself something. Again, it just like builds self love and self trust ke whatever I have done, I'm grateful for myself to do that, and I respect myself enough कि जो भी हुआ है, जो भी मैंने अचीव किया है, it's just a happy habit, like you just celebrate yourself, you celebrate you being alive, you celebrate you living your life. So yeah, I'm celebrating me being 21. The next one is read books. I have been reading book. मैं अभी तक वो बुक पढ़ रही हूँ. सो आई थिंक वट एवर योर इंटरेस्ट आर, जो भी आपका इंटरेस्ट हो, आपको जो भी बुक्स पसंद हो वो बुक्स पढ़ो, बिकॉज बुक्स हैव सो मच ऑफ नॉलेज दैट नॉट इवन इंस्टाग्राम और एनी अदर यूट्यूब वीडियो कैन टीच यू. I love reading books. I love picking out different books and having it in my notes app. Like I have a list कि मुझे कौन सी book पढ़नी है. So I feel like books are so vintagey and kind of old and rustic, and I love that vibe also. So मुझे books पढ़ना तो बहुत ही पसंद है. The next one is have genuinely good people around you. I think people around you really affect you, because it has happened with me, and I've written a post about it as well, that who are we without the people around us. So your parents, your sibling, your culture, your family, your friends, strangers, everyone around you have opinions about you. They have certain expectations of you, and it is so true. Like they do affect you in your life. So having those kind of people who genuinely want to see you grow, who want you to see support, who support you in that matter, and they really want you to achieve all the good things for yourself, it is just a boost in your life. And if you have those kind of people, that is incredibly amazing. You should keep them. And yes, genuine people are really rare to find. The next one is be educated about your interest. Okay, for me, I feel like जो भी आपका interest है, जैसे मैंने उसमें भी कहा था पहले कि whatever interest you have or things you're interested in, it can be anything. It can be horse riding, it can be painting, it can be animals, it can be robotics, it can be AI. Just educate yourself about it. Learn new things, learn the different ways, the updates and everything, and keep yourself, like a master at what you really like. So it's going to help you a lot, because no knowledge or skill goes waste, and that really stands true. So definitely educate yourself and become a master at what you really like. The next one is be conscious of what you're consuming. In this day and age, that's very important, because I am also a person who, you know, like scrolls on Instagram and watches YouTube videos and multiple opinions, having so much of noise that you kind of forget that what you're putting into your brain and how does that affect you in your real life. So definitely it's gonna be like, be aware of what you're watching. It can be anything, it can be a film, web show, a series, real life, something is happening in front of you. So how you deal with certain emotions, what is shown on the television. I feel like in this noise you have to be more vigilant about what you say, what you watch, and what you let your brain, you know, absorb about it. The last one is live your life. I love this Oscar Wilde quote. I don't remember the exact wordings, but it just says that to live is the rarest thing. People, you know, they turn 90, 91 or even 100 and they look back at their lives and they're like, shit, I wasted my life. No one wants that for them. So definitely gonna say this, that, you know, just don't exist. Yes, achieve your goals, be disciplined, and you know, become a go-getter, become a hustler, but don't let yourself stay in that, you know, stuck in that loop. Live your life, enjoy the present moment, and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you so much for watching. This is all for this week's video. I'll see you next week on next Sunday. Till then, bye.